Welcome to this video on architecting a modern analytics ecosystem. Our goal is to move beyond simply replacing tools and instead build a connected, automated, and AI-enabled data landscape for 2026. Transformation is additive, not disruptive. The myth that one tool replaces another is fading. In reality, each tool solves a different layer of the data problem, driven by the need for better governance and reduced manual work. Understanding the analytics maturity paradigm is key. From basic Excel analysis to SQL, Python, and cloud platforms, each step increases business value and structural complexity, culminating in AI-enabled workflows. What is the hidden cost of manual analysis? For a single weekly report, you could be losing 312 hours a year. The problem isn't the speed of the analyst, it's the need for a better, more efficient process. Even a foundational stack has limitations. While SQL, Python, and BI tools provide value, they also leave gaps in data preparation, technical overhead, and the manual effort required to bridge the gap between data and insights. It is time to refactor the analytical process. By moving from a spaghetti architecture of manual exports and copies to an automated, repeatable pipeline, you turn the focus toward consistency and efficiency. Workflow automation acts as the connective tissue in your data strategy. Tools like Alteryx help bridge the gap between technical environments and business users through better data preparation, blending, and repeatable design. Automation delivers value through a dual engine. For employees, it means less repetitive work and more focus on analysis. For the company, it drives operational cost savings, improved governance, and better resilience. Calculating the true ROI of automation requires looking beyond software costs. We must account for the mitigation of error costs, time delays, and the reallocation of talent, from data plumbing to decision support. Looking at the 2026 landscape, AI serves as an accelerator. However, a human validation framework remains essential. Data literacy and business knowledge are more critical than ever to ensure AI is used safely and accurately. The analytical mindset is evolving. We are shifting from simple manual retrieval to engineering reliable workflows and using AI to accelerate business impact. It's about moving from tasks to outcomes. This matrix helps executives identify the right technology for the right question. Whether it is Excel for accessibility, Python for custom logic, or AI for accelerating workflows, every tool has its place. The ultimate architecture target is clear. Build from raw data up to clean, automated, and insightful analysis. The goal is to reach better decisions and tangible business outcomes. To summarize, the modern analytics ecosystem is about evolving from a data operator to a problem solver. By using the right mix of tools to build repeatable processes, you can unlock significant strategic value.